Hello, friends. Let's discuss Apollo Hospitals stock and let us analyze this stock based on price action. So, with this analysis, what I aim to teach you, or rather just discuss with you, is how to look at any given chart with the help of plain and simple price action. And let me tell you that price action is a very, very effective tool. So, how to analyze any stock with price action, and then what conclusions can you draw? So, I have selected Apollo Hospitals because it seems to be at an interesting point. We'll do a detailed price action and volume analysis of Apollo Hospitals today. So, let us just check at this chart. Let's first look at the weekly chart of Apollo Hospitals. So for a long time, if you were to look at this chart from 2015, this chart had been in a channel. It had been in a fixed channel right from 2015 to 2020. That is till the time we had this COVID outbreak. So let us just draw this channel first. You can see that this stock was trading in this channel, but then as soon as the market started recovering post the COVID lows of March and April 2020, Apollo Hospitals just took off. It has not stopped going up since March 2020. It has gone up almost three times. So now, what to expect from this stock? From a news point of view, the present situation in India is that India is opening up. You cannot deny this fact. COVID cases are coming down day by day. We are vaccinating almost population equivalents of Qatar or Israel per day. So that is the amount of vaccination that is taking place in our country. So in these circumstances, do you really think Apollo hospitals can sustain these elevated valuations? I doubt. I have my own doubts. Now let us try to see if the charts are telling us anything. The charts told us here that yes, the breakout has taken place. Whoever wants to buy, you may buy and enjoy the ride up. But now, what are the charts telling? Till here, it was a clean uptrend with very good volumes. So you can see this uptrend was with very good volumes. So if you were to compare with the averages, the volumes also were very, very good. Till the time we saw this high in Feb 2021. So this was a high of roughly 3284 or say 3300. And after that, the volumes have not been as high as they were in the previous past. If you were to look at volumes here, the volumes were not so high. And after the end of last month, after since the say the beginning of June, the COVID cases have been dropping, and logically, if you were to correlate Apollo Hospital, the fortunes of Apollo hospitals with a pandemic outbreak, then yes, this does not bode well for Apollo Hospital. So what can we expect further? Let's go down further in our daily chart. So daily chart is interesting. It is currently trading in a perfect range. So just look at this. Apollo Hospitals is again in a trading range. So you can call this a range. It has been in this perfect range for a while now. So since 15th February high has been made. So it has continuously been in this range. And a point that we can note very well here is that the volumes of the stock. Just look at the volumes at the top end of this range. So here the volume was, how much was it? Just if you were to compare the volumes at the top points of the range, you can clearly see that the volumes are dropping. It is clearly visible here that the volumes are dropping from the top of range, the range top points. This means that there are relatively lesser buyers available at these elevations, these elevated valuations over here. So what can you expect further going forward for Apollo Hospitals? Yes, plain conclusion here can be that yes, it will come down, say, to 3,000 levels. But what would you be doing in the next week or in the next 2 3 days? So for that, let's go down further in a 15 or 25-minute chart. Let's check out the 15-minute chart. I'll just erase these drawings. So for the 15-minute chart, it is interesting to note that Apollo Hospitals has been testing this level of 3297 or approximately 3300, and this level has not been broken seriously since 9th of June. The Apollo Hospitals has tested these levels not once but one, two, three, four, five, six, and today's seventh time. And what you can easily see here is that whenever the stock is approaching this level of 3300, the volumes are going up. This means that the momentum is on the downside. So tomorrow, if you get an opening below 3300, or in case if the opening happens somewhere below this point of 3280, 3280, 3283, it will definitely the stock will definitely go down all the way to 3250. If the strong downward momentum persists, then 3200, 3120 target is not impossible. It is possible for this stock to go down all the way to 3120. So all of you who are already having bullish positions, please do review your trades. Please do review the premise on which you have taken your trades. And those who do not have any positions in Apollo Hospital and who wish to take the short position as I explained here, can take these positions, say by selling calls, or if you have to take some more risk, you can sell futures contracts. But always wait for the right opportunity to trade. If the market goes up tomorrow, then what will you do? So if tomorrow at the open market opens at somewhere around 32 3320, then again this will be a good opportunity to short because this has been a supply zone today. So this is a very good supply zone. Again, if it does not come down from here and goes up further, say at 3330, 35, then do book your stop loss and again wait for a re-entry point at 3360. If this doesn't work, then I will have to say that my premise of a short sell or a premise of a bearish sentiment in Apollo will be proven wrong, and the stock may then go up all the way to 3400. But what we are looking at here is that whenever the stock is coming down, it is coming down with lots of ferociousness and very high volumes. And notably today, the stock did not bounce after hitting this level. So if you can look at all these days previously, the stock had always bounced. This means that there is an absolute absence of buyers at higher levels. So for as far as Apollo is concerned, please do look out for trades on the downside, and let us see tomorrow. If possible, we'll do a video tomorrow again to review my thoughts today on Apollo. And if at all there were any trades which I have taken, I'll definitely let you know what I did, how I managed my trades, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Thanks a lot.